Hi guys, this is Morris from NGT Trading Group. Now what we are doing here, we are doing a follow-up with a daily outlook on the New Zealand versus the dollar. Now we had talked about the monthly flag pattern on this pair. We had break it down to the weekly close, and now what we had talked about, the expectation for a pullback here up to the around the 50% of the weekly close, and then we are going to expect a continuation move to the downside. Now as we can see here on the daily here, we see that we get a pullback here on the daily, and we expect some more continuation to the upside. Now I'm going to take it down to a smaller time frame and show you what I expect. I'm expecting for this to do like a two wave to the upside. So this would be the first wave here that we have, which was that first day to the upside there. So what we would have here is more like a up, pull back, and then a continuation to the upside. At this point here, we would be looking to sell this pair. At the end of the second wave, we will be looking for our sell signal up in this area here. So this is what we are looking to see between today and tomorrow. So what we ideally want to see, we want to see this market make another leg to the upside here, and then when we get that leg to the upside into resistance here, then we ideally want to see our moving average. I just add two moving average onto the chart. This is a 20 EMA and a 60. So when it reach up in here now, we would ideally want to see it flip back to the downside on the 30 minutes chart. Once it flip back to the downside, then that is the point where we would look to enter our trades. Hi guys, this is Morris from NGT Trading Group. What we are doing is a follow-up with this video here. What we had mentioned before on the earlier in the video, we are just doing a daily follow-up. Now as we can see here, the candle went back to the about the 50% retracement that we expected, and now it's falling from that zone there. So what we expect right now is for this candle to close bearish, because it's already after 4 in the evening. So after this candle close, what we are going to be looking for is what you call a retracement. So we are going to be looking to see a retracement back up into this zone here on a smaller time frame. So when the new bar develop, if the new bar retrace up to this zone here, then we would definitely be looking to getting back into this trade. Now I trade this today and I'm out before the end of the day. So once the retracement takes place, then we'll be looking to get back in. Now if we take this down to the smaller time frame chart, we can see the development that took place, and we would want to take this over to the 30 minutes chart, because we had talked about the 2060 EMA crossing, flipping to the downside. So we're gonna go ahead and take this to the 30 minutes chart. So the 30 minutes chart here, we can see that our moving average had crossed to the downside. So ideally what I'm expecting, like mentioned earlier, is I want to have a pullback up in the zone here, and then I would be looking to take it back to the downside. Below here we can see RSI break below 50, trading below 50. So we are looking to get a pullback here up into this zone here, and we are looking to see that during the Asian session, and then we are going to be looking to sell this pair around the London session. So on Friday we have non-farm payroll coming out. That's a big news that will affect the dollar versus any currency. We do have a tool that we use to trade the market. So the tool that we have would make the decision. Once we get this pullback here, we would put the tool on, and the tool would make the decision to take the trade, and it would only take in the trade coming down in the direction of the overall trend here. So this tool can be available to you for your own use in the market, and this tool work with a technique that we develop here at NGT. So once you learn that technique, you're able to successfully use this tool and to make your trades. This is Morris from NGT.